Ani, I'm Russell Jones, and I am from Anishinaabe, and I'm starting a community for anyone on the res who would like to work from home, making some good coin, programming. I'll help you get started if you want. I registered a Discord server where I am sitting here by myself, no buddies. That's the first message. Scram. Get out of here. All right, that's the first message. Come reply to it. What do we got? So I'm going to set up a quick website to promote this Discord server in hopefully less than 15 minutes. I want to show you, once you get the hang of it, how easy it is to scaffold a project and get started and have somewhere to tinker or build a serious project from. And let's do it. Whoa, take a step back. I registered a domain at rebel.com. There's many registrars, they're called, out there to get a domain name. But I came here and I searched for resdevs.ca. And it searched and found, and I bought for like $1.99. $2. There's $2 for that domain there. You can make me an offer, you want to buy it. Anyhow, with that done, I went to digitalocean.com, and this is somewhere where you can set up a server, like for people to access your apps or whatever on a website, or I don't know what I said, whatever. Here it is. I'm in a terminal. I can access it through SSH, which is a encrypted communications protocol, and we are on the server, and I can crawl around the file system. We have a mostly empty directory there. This is some default content. We don't care about that. We're going to start a project with a really awesome tool called Astro. I came and installed a few things ahead of time to save you from watching progress bars and percentages and downloads. So Astro is running. It says, let's build something fast. We will create a project called resdevs_ca. Why did I use underscore? Come ask me in Discord. All right, install dependencies. Yes, we installed some templates up there. Astro is awesome. The project management software is also free, and I came and drew this up real quick. It was real simple. Literally just dropped a few components from the sidebar over here. Browser, drag it over here. Then I think I did YouTube. It wasn't like that. No, I did video. No, we're gonna keep it simple. No TypeScript. Yeah, this one. I did that a couple times, wrote, and I got this beautiful looking simple website. This is just a placeholder logo. We don't even have a logo. Initialize a new Git repository. Yes. Houston, good luck out there. Astronaut. See the pun. It's imperative you listen to jams when you're coding, but this is a bit slow, so let's pick up the pace. Some Dua Lipa. Okay, yeah, we have a project. We have see resdevs. I'll clear. I don't know if you guys can see. Make bigger. Too big. CD resdev ca, and there's our project files that Astro generated for us, and we can easily run them. npm run dev, and it starts a local server. Yes, a local server. We need to expose it to the internet. It would have ran on the server and nobody would be able to access it. Now we have action. So this is similar to when you're working on a project just on your local computer, except we're doing it on a server. That's why it has the IP address and a port number, and it looks unsafe and whatnot. We'll take care of that at the end. But in any case, we need to edit some of those files that it generated for us. To get started, open blah, blah, blah. We'll do that. I don't know if I mentioned, so I'm self-taught. Come take advantage of that, and I'll show you how I learned myself. Bim's gonna look ugly. There's no color coding, but that's okay. Welcome to Astro. All right, so this is what an Astro component looks like, and in the end, it builds. It builds view page source. It builds this code right here, which turns into that. So we're not Astro, we are ResDevs. And that's Astro right there. Skirt. Devs with a Z because they're cool. All right. Yes, I looked up a YouTube component. It just auto reloaded for us. I didn't have to reload the browser because this is how it is when you're developing locally. It's awesome. All right. What did I say we were doing? YouTube. All this is free software. It's called open source software. Everything you use on your phone, your computers, is all built on open source software. It's free, and people sitting at home, companies contribute to the open source community. So we're gonna go take advantage of that by grabbing a YouTube component for Astro. Fuck, I couldn't remember. I had to repeat all that just to remember Astro, or say all that just to remember. Astro YouTube Embed. There it is. I found this one at NPM. So these are one of those websites that host thousands upon thousands of these free packages that make putting together projects very simple. I say that, but it's truly not when you start adding actual functionality. We can get rid of this. We're going to grab a YouTube. This is the, we didn't import it. First we got to import it. Import the component up here. And then we can use it like so. That's not a key I'm familiar with. We can't use the key for this video right now because we are recording. So I'll grab one of my videos and get the shareable link here, paste it in. We don't need this part. I like this jam, but again, starts slow. Some Eric sermon. All right, that YouTube. So if we look at it, we got an error because we did not install it. I don't think I actually ran that, did I? So let's install it, and then hopefully this reloads. Yeah, there we go. There I am. Welcome to ResDevs. I'll replace this later with the actual video. Now we want to use these cards. I'll show you a cool, like how easy it is to do some like animations with something like Tailwind CSS. Add Y line like Frey. Nope. What was I doing? Tailwind. This is Tailwind CSS. NPM. That was supposed to be NPX. Installing. All right, yeah. So this makes websites beautiful very easily. Um, we're not really necessarily making it beautiful. We're going to try out some of its animation component or classes. So with like one bit of text, we can edit our components. I saw a card component. Yep. I just tried Astro for the first time yesterday, and I just ran it. What are we doing? We're looking for something to spin. The LI, the card, one of the cards. So we're going to target one of these things and was it spin? Spin it. And I copied it, so I'll just paste it. And there they go. And wow, that's kind of making my stomach turn. We can change that to an effect like hover, so it will only do that when you do this. That's much nicer. But anyway, we're not gonna keep these cards at all. Let's bounce. Not RM. In here we can get rid of all these cards and that UL. We'll create our own. We're going to create a Discord link like in the Discord details here that I planned out in my beautiful mock-up, they're called. Now back to this section. Normally would have this configured so it looks pretty and it would do some of the work for you. Let's put in a heading 2. We'll call it Discord. Close the heading 2. We'll create a paragraph. I should have did that. It sucks without all the nice setup for Vim. Okay. Come visit the official Discord chat, ResDev's Discord. This jam is too intense. Blondie, right on. Discord. Let's just leave it at that. Use an exclamation mark just because they're awesome sometimes. That's quite ugly, but it is there, isn't it? We need to put in the link still. I think I'll do it by another paragraph and a link on its own that we can stylize later. In href, and I don't have the Discord channel details. Invite your friends. Copy. Paste it in. Discord, baby. There it is. It looks like nothing, but look, it worked. So I encourage you to come visit us in Discord and let's just touch it up. But that pretty much is about it. Actually, if you want to check out this new chat GPT thing, we can try it out. It's super cool. The new version, GPT-4. It's actually really slow at the moment and capped. It says currently has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours. But we can copy our HTML, which I didn't do. Go to chat GPT and ask it, can you make this look nice? No. Can you make this? Can you apply styles to make this attractive? I have Tailwind CSS version 3 installed. And then I paste in the code and hit enter. So what I asked it to do is come grab a bunch of these styles that Tailwind offers. And styles is what make everything on your web browser or web page, or web app, or whatever look pretty and nice. And I asked it to make it attractive. So it's applying some styles to the code. And if you actually look at our code beside it, there's the section that had nothing in it at all. And here it is with a whole bunch of classes. And it's having a hard time. Like, it's really slow right now. But it is absolutely bananas. Even Blondie thinks so. Look at that. This code okay, let's see what it actually said here. Sure, I've updated the HTML code using Tailwind CSS version 3 classes to make it more attractive. You can copy and paste following code into your project. We'll copy the code. This code adds a background gradient, some padding, rounded corners, and a shadow to the section. It also increases the font size of the heading and paragraph and styles the link as a button with a hover effect. Sounds tantalizing. Let's try it out. Where are we? This section, right? I'm going to crash it, beat it, paste in the new one, save. Look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? We'll add a little, maybe surround this YouTube in its own section. And then just give it some margin bottom. And that's that. That's pretty snazzy, huh? That's Chat GPT, man. Like, it's going to take over, but it is an incredible tool if you know how to wield it. As you can see, you have to talk to it very specifically, I guess. But it's pretty neat, eh? Russell Jones. I don't know what that is. I guess that's it. If you want to sit at home, code, and eventually make some good money, get a career, or even just some side action, come talk to me on Discord. Thanks for watching.